How to fix iPhones not receiving incoming calls. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also facing such issue on your iPhone, then first thing what you can do is just head over to settings and find phone option and phone application. Once you find it, what you can do is just click on this incoming calls and make sure it's selected as banner, and once you do that, just click on announce call as always. If you have been set it to never, so make sure it's on always. And now click on call forwarding, and once you click on call forwarding option, just make sure you have disabled this. So if it's enabled, make sure it's disabled, and then just click on silence unknown caller and also make sure it has also been disabled. So once you do all of that, just click on blocked contacts and see if you have any blocked contacts, so just remove it from over here. So once you do that as well, now just come back and scroll all the way up and just click on cellular, and from over here just click on network selection. And if you have like 4G or 5G network, try switching the networks in between them and your issue should be fixed. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.